Let us get the quick solution of question number 1, Roman 1, exercise 3.2, pair of linear equation in two variables. Here the question says 10 students of class 10 took part in a mathematics quiz. If the number of girls is 4 more than the number of boys, find the number of boys and girls who took part in the quiz. Follow the following 5 steps. We are asked to form the pair of linear equation from the two statements. Draw the graph, and from the graph we have to find the solution. As of now, we don't know the number of boys and number of girls. Therefore, let us assume the number of boys to be x, number of girls to be y. Now apply the first condition, 10 students. So number of boys plus number of girls will make total participants. So in place of boys, x, in place of girls, y. So x plus y and total participant is 10. So therefore, we are getting the first linear equation in two variables, that is x plus y equal to 10. Now we have to obtain two solutions for this first equation. For this, you keep only one variable on the left hand side, shift other terms on the right hand side. We are keeping x on the left hand side, so x equal to 10 is plus y. On the right hand side it will be minus y. Solution of this equation 1 means paired value of x comma y which will satisfy this equation. This is the modified form of equation 1. We have written the same here on the right hand side graph work. When y is equal to 0, then 10 minus y, 10 minus, it will be 0, result is 10, and that will be equal to x. Therefore, when y is equal to 0, then x will be 10. So this is the first solution. Y equal to 5, therefore in the second solution y equal to 5, so 10 minus 5, result is 5, and that is equal to x. So when y equal to 5, x is also going to be 5. This is the second solution. This way we have completed table 1, which will give us two solution. Statement, number of girls is means equal, 4 more means 4 plus, then the number of boys. Number of girls is y equal to 4 plus number of boys is x. So we are getting the second linear equation in two variables x and y. Obtain two solutions of this equation 2 and fill this table 2 relating x and y. If x is 0, then 0 plus 4 is 4 only, that is equal to y. If x is 6, then 6 plus 4, 10, that is equal to y. 6 plus 4, 10. Draw x-axis and y-axis. Scale it and level it properly so that you can plot the 4 solution. First point with coordinate x value 10, y value is 0. Name it as A. Second point, x5, y5. x5 from here 5. This is the second point B. Through this point A 10, 0 and B 5, 5. This is the first straight line. And this is the corresponding linear equation. C 0, 4 and D 6, 10 are the two solutions of equation 2 from table 2. Now through C 0, 4 and D 6, 10, this is the second straight line with the corresponding equation y equal to 4 plus x. The two graphs intersect each other at point P, whose coordinate is x value is 3, y value is 7. So P 3, 7. And P is the only point which is on both the lines. Therefore, this is the required solution of the given equation. Give arrowhead on either side of the lines. Also mention the scale along x-axis and y-axis. Conclude by writing this: two linear equation intersect each other at P 3, 7. Therefore the solution is 3, 7, that is x equal to 3 and y equal to 7. X refers number of boys equal to 3. Y refers number of girls equal to 7. Verification of solution was not asked in the question. This part you have to do it only when it is asked. If you put the obtained value of x and y, that is the number of boys and number of girls, in equation 1 and in equation 2, you will see that the left hand side after calculation and right hand side will be equal. Same here in the equation 2, left hand side and right hand side will be equal. Hence it is verified.